My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk you through a 2019 Princess V40. As you can see, the boat is equipped with teak decking throughout, even up the sides, on both sides, swim platform, and through the cockpit. Pretty good sized swim platform with a nice convertible lounge seat back here. It also has a nice teak finish underneath. Open cockpit. Good sun protection if you want it, but then there's also a sunroof, which I have open. That really gives you nice airflow, good sun. Teak table on the port side with a C-shaped seating. There's storage underneath all of these seats. They can be accessed from here or even from the swim platform. Take a quick look in the engine compartment. Easy access. Engine's on the left side, and then generator. Nice fender storage in the door. The boat's equipped with Twin Volvo D6 370s, and there's 306 hours on the boat currently. Nice ice maker, storage, sink and grill, and then a cool box that can be chilled down to a refrigerator. And then some additional storage down there. Nice lounge seat on the port side, and then dual seats at the helm with flip-up bolsters. Raymarine GPS, autopilot, and then obviously the Volvo joystick system, and it does have a bow thruster. As you can see, good visibility, and then obviously having the sunroof open helps as well. But solid full windshield across, and then really no blind spots, and clear visibility off the back too. Really nice wood finishes down in the cabin, both on the floor and on the sides. This table converts down into a berth if you need it to. A TV, microwave, dual burner cooktop, sink, and refrigerator. Pretty good counter space too. You'll see there's access for all of your DC distribution and AC distribution, Fusion stereo, and then this boat does have a Seakeeper. Here's the control for that. Mid-berth has a couch you could even sleep one on, and then two full-size twin beds, and then storage behind that mirror, and then windows on both sides, which is kind of nice, both behind those blinds and then on this side. Here's access to the head with separate shower. Nice fit and finish in here too, the wood grain finish. And your forward berth. Easy access on both sides with steps going up, and then storage underneath the bed. And storage on the port side, full hanging locker. Good windows, good lighting on both sides too. There's obviously a skylight. And then you can also access the head from here. Take a quick walk up to the bow. You can access it from either side, both port, which would go that way, or Easiest way on the, or sorry, that was starboard, then leading up to port. Easiest way is to come from the swim platform and go up. Another view of the sunroof. There's a nice big lounge cushion that goes right in this space. Windlass anchor, access, and then foot pedals. And as I mentioned, there's teak going up the entire sides, which is just a nice touch, nice finish. This boat's currently located at our SkipperBud's office. If you have any questions, again, my name is Eric Mooney. I'd be happy to help or set up a showing.